Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Welcome in the second video lesson for week number 12. As you know that we are doing unit number 5 measurement. Our exercise is 5D and our topic is conversion of units of time. In this video lesson, we will solve the sums given in the exercise. These are question number 11, 12 and 13. These are the conversion of hours and minutes into seconds. So before starting the exercise work, let's have a look on the units of time. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, and 24 hours equal to 1 day. And you know that 7 days equal to 1 week. Then this is about 1 year, 52 weeks, 365 days and 12 months. All these they make 1 year. Now, in our exercise we have conversion sums to solve. 3 different types of sums are given. To convert minutes and seconds into seconds. The second one is to convert hours into seconds. And the third one is to convert hours and minutes into seconds. 3 different types of conversion related to units of time are given in the exercise. So before starting the sums, as it is a conversion of bigger units into smaller unit. And you know what we will do? We will do the multiplication by the conversion factor. We will multiply the number by using the conversion factor. And for calculation work, to make our work easy and simple, we will use the symbols, not the full word. For hours, we will write H. For minutes, we will write MIN, and for second, SEC. So these are the symbols that you are going to use while doing the calculation. Now question number 11. How many seconds are in? Now question is given minutes and seconds and they are asking you to convert them into seconds. You know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 60 is the conversion factor. To convert 3 minutes, multiply 3 multiply 60 and then you will add these 15 seconds here. After conversion, for 60 you can do this conversion verbally. 3 multiplied by 6, 18, and this 0 is here, 180 plus 15. After doing this addition, you will get 195 seconds. Now this one is a bigger number, 21 minutes and 30 seconds. 21 multiply 60. So here I have done in the working column. You also use, if you are feeling difficulty in multiplication, you can use the right hand side of the page as working column. First multiply by 1, then multiply by 2 and your answer is 1260. These are the minutes. 21 minutes has changed, you have changed them into seconds. These are 1260, but this is not the answer because 30 more seconds are also given there. So add these 30 in it and you will get 1290 seconds. This whole quantity, when you convert them into seconds, these are 1290 seconds. Now question number 12. How many seconds are only hours are given? 6 hours and 8 hours. You cannot convert hours directly into seconds. First convert them into minutes and then into seconds. You know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So the first multiplication is 6 multiplied by 60. With this multiplication, you will change hours into minutes. Then these minutes again multiply by 60 because 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. This is the conversion factor. So again you will multiply by 60 and then you will get the seconds of these 6 hours. 6 multiplied by 60, then again multiply by 60. First do this multiplication, 6 6 are 36 and this 0 is here. Then do this multiplication, 360 multiplied by 60 here, 360 multiplied by 60, these two zeros are here, and read the table of 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 is here, 3 carry, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21. So 21,600 are the seconds that you will get from 6 hours. When you convert 6 hours into seconds, these are 21,600 seconds. Another question, that is 8 hours. Same procedure you will follow. 8 multiply 60 multiply 60. First multiplication to convert hours into minutes. Then second multiplication, this one multiply by 60 to convert minutes into seconds. So this 0 is 800 and 8 6 are 48. 480. Then second multiplication, multiply by 6. Here I have done in the working column 480 multiplied by 60. 480 multiplied by 60. First multiply by 0. 3 zeros are here. Then multiply by 6. 600. 6 8 48. 4 is carry. 6 4s 24. 24 plus 4 28. So your answer is, after this when you will do the addition, you will get 28,800. This is the answer, 28,800 seconds. See, for the table of 60, you can read the table of 6 and write 10 on the right hand side. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Just put a 0 here. It will be the table of 60. Now, question number 13. Convert these into seconds. Now see, the question is given in the form of hours and minutes. It's a bit lengthy, not like the first two that you have solved just. First you will convert hours into minutes. You know the procedure. 2 multiply 60 multiply 60, but keep them in bracket because another calculation is also there. These are minutes. So 5 minutes multiply by 60 to convert them into seconds. After this multiplication, 60 multiplied 2, answer is 120. Then another multiplication, that is multiply by 60, I have solved here. First by 0, then by 6, after addition 7,200. These are the seconds that you will get after this multiplication. Then see this bracket. 5 minutes multiplied by 60, that is 300. So these are also seconds. Now add both the seconds of both the hours and minutes. You will get 7,500 seconds. All the question we are going to convert them into seconds. First convert minutes into second, only single multiplication by 60. The second one was hours into second. So first convert hours into minutes, then again convert those minutes into second, both time multiplication by 60 because 60 is the multiplication factor or the conversion factor. Now the third question, hours and minutes. So first convert hours into seconds, convert minutes into seconds and then add them. Then you will get the total seconds of the given quantity. Not very difficult, but use the working column. Do not try to solve verbally, then you will make no mistake. I hope that you will feel easy and you can solve these sums. In the Zoom class also we will solve these things, and in the worksheet you have to convert these question number 11, 12 and 30. Thank you and Khuda Hafiz.